What's up, guys? We ain't doing this no more. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something just a little bit different, okay? Today, instead of doing a get ready with me, I'm actually going to be doing a try on haul. All of these items today I picked up from your local Family Dollar. When I walked in the store, I actually went into Family Dollar to get me some detergent, okay? But then I stepped on over to the clothing side, and baby, they did not disappoint. I said, $8? $10? Put it in the bag. Come on, they're going home with me. So I'm gonna show you guys a few of those items. Hopefully you guys get a chance to check them out. If you like these, please comment below which item was your favorite. And let's begin. First item up is this Just Be. It's a 2-pack of soft leggings. Can't beat that. Leggings go good with a little cardigan. Next, we have a sweat set. Come a little closer so you guys can see. The bottom was $8, and the top was $8 as well. So whole little sweat set, $16, under $20. We like that. The next item that I have is another sweat set. I picked this one up. It's a little bit different. The other one was like a crew neck. This one has a zip up. The pants for these were $8, and this more of a straight leg. Got it in the size large in the top, and then the bottoms, I got it in the size extra large. Top was $10. The bottom was $8. I found this really long cardigan, super soft. I got it in the size 1X, and this was $14. I also found this cute Barbie tee. I got it in the size large, and this was $8. Cute Christmas. I know we ain't past Thanksgiving or Halloween yet, but they got Christmas items out, and the top and the bottom were $5 a piece. Who was passing it up? Not me. I'm getting this, and I did. Extra large, and these are the bottoms. I can take them out. The bottom in the size extra large. They are sold separate. $5. $5. Got this cute pajama set, which was in the color pink. I love pink and orange, so I had to pick this up. $10. I got it in the size extra large.
A few moments later.
Alright, first item up is this 2-piece sweat set. Oh, when I tell y'all, I wish y'all could feel this because it is very soft. Next item is the cream set. Super soft, super comfortable. As you can see, I still have a lot of room in this. This is what I love about this. Do y'all see the scrunch? It's already automatic scrunch on it. Super soft, super comfortable. These are also the leggings that I showed you guys. I would actually wear this outside, put on some white tennis shoes, some loafers, slides, whatever you comfortable with, okay? Yes. You got that $5 holler, $5 bottom and top, sleepwear. Christmas is not here yet, but I can start shopping now. It does have a lot of stretch, so you probably could downsize if you want to. Alright guys, that completes today's try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please comment below which item was your favorite. Which item would you actually buy if you saw it at your local Family Dollar. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys